racing just is started. We have My Jopeng break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside is Moraita in the middle portion. Safety's Gold. The next on that is Asikuda. Moving up on the outside, Obitron Walk the Talk. Punchline Mount Panamawa. Then next on line is Ipira, while Conquistador is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Moraita by about 3/4 of a length lead. Right behind in second is Safety's Gold. 3 lengths further back in third comes My Jopeng. Moving up now to take fourth is entry number 3, and this one is Walk the Talk. Then next online is Asikuda, Punchline, Mount Panamawa, and on the outside comes Obitron, Ipira, while Conquistador is still racing in less. And on the far turn, we have Moraita by our ahead, and on the outside comes Safety's Gold. My Jopeng still in third. Punchline, Walk the Talk, Obitron, Asikuda, Mount Panamawa, Ipira, and Conquistador. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Moraita by our length and a half. Safety's Gold, Obitron, Punchline is down on the inside. Last 100 meters, we have Moraita followed by Obitron on the outside. Moraita, Obitron is on the outside, and finally it's Moraita. Close Punchline, Obitron, then comes number 7, Safety's Gold.
Ang tibay ni Moraita sa harapan. 8, 5, 10, 7, 4.
Tapos white silks parang si Asikuda.